friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. Hey, there's some valuable information that you may find handy right there. So we're getting ready to send out this Hemi unit, early style. This is going on a 68 Charger. If we'll notice right here, it has a different check valve. This is the last year, the straight run check valve, 68. So this is era appropriate. And of course, here's his Hemi brackets. If you look, there's actually quite a few parts involved in a true Hemi setup, the bracket setup and such. So we've done little over five, not well, in the 20s, about 515 of these now. And it sure has been a pleasure. So, what's his name? I forget. Yeah, Bill. So, this is going out for a 68 Hemi Charger. One Hemi unit ready to go. Painted all semi-gloss black and bolted up. And hee-rah, we're ready. Alright, give us a call with all your booster and master cylinder needs on your Mopar or your Ford. And God bless you, God bless America, and happy Moparing. Bye.